A balanced, healthy diet is essential to maintaining the health of your eyes and may lower your chance of acquiring eye disorders. If you eat foods that include a variety of vitamins, nutrients, and minerals, referred to as antioxidants, you may be able to prevent serious eye diseases. A good diet may help you avoid the following eye conditions. Age-related macular degeneration, which can reduce your vision, glaucoma, dry eyes, and poor night vision are all conditions that can cause foggy vision. It is best to have a range of proteins, dairy products, fruits, and vegetables in a balanced diet. Try to incorporate a rainbow's worth of foods into your diet throughout the day. Limiting your intake of bad foods that are processed, heavy in sugar, or saturated in fats is advised. The top 7 foods for your eyes are described in this video. Most are often affordable and offered all year round. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. 1. Sweet potatoes. Vitamin A keeps the cornea healthy and is a component of the pigment rhodopsin, which transforms light into electrical signals that the brain interprets as vision. Although sweet potatoes have 3 times as much vitamin A activity as carrots, one medium roasted sweet potato offers 150% of the daily value. Carrots are the ones that are frequently mentioned for their high vitamin A content. This is because provitamin A carotenoids, of which beta-carotene is one, operate as antioxidants and are inactive forms of the vitamin that give deep orange and deep green produce its color. 2. Spinach and kale. The best sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that shield the retina, are dark leafy greens like kale and spinach. In their role as antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin significantly block blue light rays from entering the interior of the eye, preventing free radicals brought on by blue light from harming eye cells. Increased consumption of lutein and zeaxanthin, which appear to reduce age-related macular degeneration, vision abnormalities brought on by aging, as well as other dark greens like turnip and collard, may even stop the development of cataracts. 3. Eggs. In particular, eggs from chickens fed a diet high in nutrients are a wonderful source of the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin. Both lutein and zeaxanthin are found in eggs naturally, but fortified eggs have far larger quantities that also seem to be more easily absorbed and utilized by the body. In order to improve and maintain vision, regular consumption of such eggs can raise levels of lutein and zeaxanthin. In contrast to patients who drank 1 egg or less per week, those who ingested 4 to 6 eggs per week over the course of a 15-year period had a 46% lower risk of experiencing significant eyesight loss, according to a study that was published in Clinical Nutrition in 2020. 4. Oysters. Along with other antioxidants like selenium, zinc preserves retina cells to prevent and reduce vision loss, maintains the structure and stability of proteins in the retina, and is necessary for the activation of over 300 enzymes in the body, some of which are related to the eyes. Despite the rarity of clinical insufficiency, research indicates that the majority of people eat insufficient quantities of zinc. This implies that including foods high in zinc, such as oysters, is advantageous. One of the best food sources of zinc is oysters, which also include other essential elements for eye health like selenium, copper, and omega-3 fatty acids. Not an oyster fan? Besides meat, seafood, and poultry, other healthy sources of animal protein include fortified cereal, beans, almonds, and seeds. 5. Oily fish. Are your eyes constantly dry and itchy? Omega-3 rich oily fish, such as salmon, trout, mackerel, and trout, should be consumed 2 to 3 times per week to help with symptoms. Insufficient tear production and a lack of a tear film covering the eyes are the main causes of dry eye syndrome. While tears may appear to be entirely water-based, they also contain mucus and oil, therefore a deficiency in important fatty acids like DHA and EPA may be a factor in the development of dry eye symptoms. According to research, increasing intake can greatly reduce symptoms because it increases the formation of tears and has anti-inflammatory effects from omega-3 fatty acids. 6. Papaya. Lycopene, a carotenoid that appears to prevent cataract formation, gives papaya its pink-orange flesh. The fruit's main star, though, is vitamin C, which one tiny papaya contains more than 150% of the daily recommended allowance of. The high metabolic rate of the eyes causes free radicals to develop more quickly, which increases the requirement for antioxidant protection from foods like vitamin C in the eye's cells. The vitamin may also be able to replenish vitamin E and other antioxidants in the eye, which makes foods high in vitamin C like papaya, citrus, red bell pepper, and berries even more advantageous. 7. Beans. Did you know that carbohydrate intake can affect the health of your eyes? In the age-related eye disease study, people who consumed diets high in glycemic carbohydrates had a markedly increased risk of developing age-related macular degeneration-related vision loss. In light of this, it's critical to replace high glycemic items, such as refined grains, snack foods, and liquids with added sugars, with lower glycemic, higher fiber alternatives like beans and whole grains. In addition to helping to regulate blood sugar, beans, both dried and canned, are a rich source of other essential minerals for the eyes, such as zinc and B vitamins.